India is one of the most vulnerable countries in the world to the impacts of climate change. Our urban areas and infrastructure are not only significant contributors to greenhouse gases, but also the places in which we can pivot and change India's future as far as climate resilience is concerned. The Solar Decathlon India is an important new initiative to train young Indian professionals to address the challenges of climate change, sustainable development, and sustainable production and consumption, as our urban areas are going to be the pivot of this critical change over the next 10 years or so.